Send her, bud. Crested Butte, here we come. You won't. Ooh. Average Tuesday morning here. It's like 8 a.m. We're packing up the car and we are heading out to film a video for Seth in this beautiful new bike of his. It's been raining like crazy here in Asheville, so we don't exactly know where we're going, but we're going somewhere outside of Asheville to ride. Oh yeah, they're looking good. I like the red and the orange and the drama. 3.5 hour drive to get to the ride, you know, this is what it takes. Everything in Asheville is rained out and we gotta get out on a ride. We gotta get some filming done today, so mini road trip directly after the road trip. What's going on out there, Seth?
There's a kitty and it's nice. I'm gonna give him some jalapeno crackers maybe.
So we're on our way to Chattanooga officially. Knoxville is still underwater and had to stop for some PRDs, but look what we found underneath the car when we came back out.
Super friendly. Oh, it's an old kitty. Meow. You're pretty amicable, huh? All right, I'm gonna leave this Lara bar here for you. And then we're getting out of here.
Yeah, let's rock. It's time to ride, baby. We have made it to Raccoon Mountain and there is a Hannah and a Vannah being spotted. She's got the Live Free Ride Hard, Get Stoked shirt. Yeah! All right. Look at this sick setup. I've filmed this before, but I haven't actually posted it. Look at, Hannah has like the coolest, oh, the pop-up's going up.
When you're actually camping, that pop-up turns it into like a mansion.
It does, the mansion. Yeah, holy cow, it gets so big.
It is.
What the? It's so big.
Step on the chair, and then I put a foot on the counter, or you can just use your
Seth just freaking ninjas up into there.
This is so big.
I kind of want to do a whole video of your van later.
Great.
Would you be down for that?
I'd be down.
A whole van tour,
Yes.
whole separate video dedicated to it?
Totally.
So we'll just have to refilm all of this, but in a separate video.
Yeah.
Hannah hooked it up. She was ready.
As well.
All prepped with like a whole sandwich station for lunch.
Caffeine and sugar.
These delicious coffees from Whole Foods, right?
Mm-hmm.
Even cookies. Heck yeah, this is a great way to start a ride. I can't wait to actually get out on the bike, but I'm already having fun.
Yeah, I'm psyched.
I'm caffeinated. All right, we made it to the top. Pretty good view over here too. Over to Chattanooga, check it out. All right, it's time to get this party started. Seth's wigging out because his new bike. He's stoked on it. He promised me in one of the previous videos he'd always bring it. He's a man of his word. Taking a chooch that inhaler because he knows we're about to go hard. Yahoo! Yeah. You will only go faster. All right, you ready to open it up?
Ready to open it up.
All right, jet boosters. Oh yeah, bud. Woo! Ooh, janky. I feel like that was a solid give.
That was a solid giver.
Woo! Yeah! Hey Seth, yeah. Remember that switchback I was telling you about?
Yeah.
I got down, I heard you yelling and I just saw Seth way off. Hey, how'd that get here? What up, buddy?
What up, brother?
Long time no see, man.
Yeah, dude.
Good to see you.
You too.
You have a good run?
Yeah.
Thanks for the shuttle.
Right?
Oh my God.
You the man. Look at this. We are spoiled. Isn't it awesome to have friends everywhere? Thanks for meeting up and riding.
So freaking awesome.
So good. It just makes the ride so much better.
I'll run you guys back up to the top. I'm gonna drop y'all.
Wait, what was the first part of that? You know what I learned from that is just that Charlie never climbs. Charlie is a shuttle master. Hiya! I've never sat up here.
Okay, let's go.
Oh yeah. Charlie can't ride with us because he separated his shoulder recently. I feel his pain.
Gets real sometimes. You gotta pay the tax sometimes. So.
The shred tax. Hooray! Shuttles. If you get in the comments telling me you don't like shuttles, you're a liar. We are back onto the trail, the same spot that we went last time, but we're going somewhere different. We're going to the free ride area. It's called Chunky. A lot of fun stuff that I was not willing to do last time I was here because it was pretty early in the redemption road trip. I remember specifically there was a drop I wouldn't do. This time I'm gonna do it. Yeah, boy.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, that's so smooth.
That was nice.
All right, so Hannah is on flat pedals, brand new within a couple weeks, and a new bike. And she's working on her drops. You got it, dude, you got it. Yew! Yeah! Woo!
A little bit of fun.
I like these gloves. I feel like
I do like
I got my best buddy with me at all times. And yeah, dude, when they're fresh, oh yeah. Blah. I heard that.
Oh yeah.
This is your right here, Seth. Yeah, so there's a good line all the way from the top all the way down this. We are looking for the nastiest lines we can find. And then we're sending Seth off on them. What?
Oh, it's a line.
What's over there? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. Not bad at all. Dude, you want to know how bad my confidence was? I wouldn't do that when we were here last time.
Natural switchback over here.
Oh, that's not happening. He
See
wants
if I can roll this first.
he wants to roll down this, which is like just a drop. Oh. Oh yeah! Yeah, it is. Oh. I'm fine. I hope my bike is good. That was a straight bar shot.
I stopped recording because I was like,
Where am I going? Oh, yeah, we're losing elevation. We're not on the trail. I hate that. Hannah, where are you taking us?
Oh yeah.
It's ready. We got some sun again. Woohoo! It was like, it's not even late. We were losing sun already.
We got to traverse a little bit.
Yeah, we have a little traverse. And then we're gonna hit high voltage. So Seth's trying a really pretty awesome looking line. Like, look at this. He comes up that, and then up around this tree, and then there's this, it's called split rock, because look how cool that looks. And then he's coming down this, which has a drop. It's pretty neat. I got you covered. That was smooth like butter. Yeah, boy. Tread on, my brothers and sisters. I should probably lower my saddle, eh? That was a fun line. It opens up here eventually. Seth just plows through chunk. I think he's good at staying light on his bike. Oh yeah, boy. Oh. All right, here we go. Nice, fun, flowy. Project, try to keep up with Seth. Nice line, dude. All right, so we're gonna run into some flow here. Oh yeah, bud, this is it. Smash! Oh yeah! Whoa, yeah! Woo-hoo! Nice. How'd that feel on the flats? Woo, we made it. Yo, check it out. It's the Redemption 17 sticker. I feel very honored.
I mean, dude.
All right, we finished with the ride and we got Hannah in front in the van. We met up with Cody from Hand Up Gloves and we are going to go get some burgers at this place called Tremont. We went there last time with Brian. Super good burgers. Really cool. We like pulled up to the parking lot and a whole lot of people that we knew rolled in and now we're all just going to grab food. Gotta love that. Good riding community here in Chattanooga for sure. Great ride, and then we've got a kind of long drive home, but you gonna be good for that, Seth?
I'm good for that. We just drove from freaking Colorado.
Yeah, we are. Our driving endurance is like sky high.
This is like an appetizer right here.
We have made it. Let the burgers and beer ensue. Woo.
Hello.
Oh, fancy meeting you here.
What's up, buddy?